Chukwu Okike Abiyama has given us all the wisdom and knowledge it takes to solve every single problem that comes to us. But we humans refuse to be sincere in solving these problems. And that is why we seem to be overwhelmed by very minor challenges and problems. Do you agree with me on this?
As I will say, by my standard, your question is framed in a way that can confuse somebody. And until I have understood your question, I will not be able to give you a straight answer.
So, if I ask you a direct question, can you answer me?
Yes, I will say, if I have an answer to your straight question, I will answer you.
Why are you insisting that Chidubem here must not participate in his father's funeral? Why?
I am insisting, and as I will say, let it be on record. This is the very first time I am mentioning this to anybody. I am insisting he will not participate in the funeral because the same Chidubem you referred to now as the son of my father is not my father's son.
Elibagwagwa, what is wrong with you? What do you think you're doing? Is it that you don't have limits? What kind of nonsense are you spewing before the priest of the land?
Chidubem, just hold on. Calm down. I'll get back to you later. You see, there is no need saying things you cannot defend. Or do you have evidence, enough evidence to back up your claims?
As I will say, I have evidence. I have a lot of evidence.
Produce your evidence, and on the strength of this evidence, I may or may not agree with you.
As I will say, what? I don't understand. Don't tell me you want to listen to this.
Shut up and stop interrupting this man of the gods. I told you that I'm going to deal with you, and you felt I was joking. The process has just started.
This thing I'm about to tell you is a very deep secret I've been holding to myself. But seeing the way my head is deteriorating, I know very well that my days are numbered. After I married your mother, she was seeing another man.
How could that be?
I caught them.
What?
Okay, let me tell you how I met your mother and how I married.
Stop now.
What is it?
So we meet again.
Good afternoon.
Ebi, see, I'm sorry for stopping you. Good afternoon. But you know, the other time, I tried talking to you, but you were so much in a hurry to listen to me.
And I'm still in a hurry.
Ebi, daybreak now. Easy.
What is it now?
Too much. All the time I'm in a hurry. Give me 1 minute.
Oh yeah, talk. You have 1 minute, talk.
You know, I like...
Oga, talk now.
Ebi, I like you. And I want to make you my wife.
I'm not ready to get married. Rubbish.
Ebi, it's not like that now. Hey, I must get you. All you to take is money. Okay, forgive me. Why that's cigar? I'll get you down. Eh?
You are welcome again, my son.
Thank you, Nai.
This one you came to my house with a bottle of snap. What will I call it?
I come in peace. Nah, I come in peace.
All right, I'm listening. I remain an Ichie in Umuobaogidi. No matter what happens, I must first attend to my visitor before anything else.
Nah, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'll keep it very simple. Very, very simple. I met a very pretty girl on the road. And I asked. I was told that she's your daughter.
Are you referring to Ebele, my daughter?
Yes! Yes, Nai. She's exactly the kind of woman I want for a wife. But I have tried talking to her. She's not giving me attention.
That is because she doesn't know you. So, how would you want me to come in?
I want to marry her. And this is a decision I took on my own. And nothing will make me change my mind. As a father, I want you to help me talk to her.
Consider it done. Any young man who can boldly present his point is the kind of son-in-law any right-thinking man would love to have.
Hey! Hey!
I don't have to consider it twice.
Ah! Nine.
You have it.
Hey! Hey! Nine! Ah! You have just proven to me that you are an Ichie in the real sense of word. Ah! I promise you, your daughter will be the happiest woman on earth. Being my wife.
You know the things that are required. So, you go home, prepare yourself, then let's set the ball rolling.
That's all. Very simple. You will see me here as quick as possible.
It's alright. You can
Thank
count
you,
on me.
Ichie.
All right.
Darling.
My husband. What is it?
Ebele,
Yes.
were you seeing another man apart from me? I want you to answer me with the truth. Is Yoku?
Is that why you called me here? I mean, this is something you could have asked me inside, and I would have answered you without raising an eyelid.
I brought you here because the matter is of great importance to me. Do you have another man apart from me? Or were you seeing another man before I married you?
Yes.
Ah! Why didn't you tell me?
I mean, you didn't give me time. You were so much in a hurry. I tried explaining things to you, but you convinced my father. And you paid my bride price. I just had to follow you. I can't disobey my father.
You're wicked. You are very wicked. I need to understand this. Are you blaming me now?
I'm not blaming you. How can I even blame you? All I'm just trying to say is that you didn't give me time to explain things to you. You were so much, you just wanted to marry me. My husband, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please.
When I discovered that I did not marry a mother, a virgin, I hated her. Sometimes I wanted to just throw her away. But when I remember the maturity of my father-in-law, Ichie Nana, who trusted her to me, I decided to carry on.
That was a very nice thing you did, Father.
Thank you, my son. I decided to forgive and forget and move on with my life as if she is the woman of my dream. Not until when she did the worst.
Father, what did she do?
Your mother is classless. I regret marrying her.
How have you been?
I'm fine, and you?
I am okay. You forgot me completely because you got married.
How would you even say that? You know I'm not a married woman and I shouldn't even be seen around you. You know how people think.
Well, it's okay. I learned your husband is not treating you fine.
That's not true.
Come on, don't even lie to me. The news is everywhere already.
It will soon be a thing of the past. Don't worry, I will be fine.
Do you mind if I talk to him?
No. Eyebrows will be raised and I don't want that for myself, please. I will be fine, please.
So you prefer he continues to maltreat you?
No, that's not it. See, as a matter of fact, I've already spoken to my father about it and he said he will change. So, I'm sure he will change.
Now you're talking.
I heard you're getting married.
Yes?
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Hope she's beautiful.
Just as beautiful as you are.
You can say that.
Thank you so much.
I'm happy for you once again.
And I'm happy that you're also happy for me.
I need to start going before my husband starts looking for me.
Can I at least get a hug from you before you leave?
A hug? I am a married woman.
It's nothing, it's just a hug.
Good afternoon, my husband.
That good afternoon will kill you there. Where do you think you're coming from?
I went to see my father.
Oh, you went to see your father? Or
Yes.
your parents? Anyone? So your parents now wear shirts and long trousers with long beards? Eh? See, if you don't tell me where you're coming from, I'll so deal with you in this house.
After telling me those lies, I discover she cannot be trusted again. I have that personal conviction that that child she's carrying in her womb belongs to Bawanye. Chidubem is the child. He is not my blood.
Papa, I am actually tongue-tied with this revelation you have just given me now.
I know you will be. But please, do not be surprised when I start taking some measures that will not be favorable to Chidubem.
But why will mother do a thing like that?
Just like I told you before, your mother is classless. She can settle for anything just for her to be able to satisfy her sexual desire.
So what do you want me to do now?
Very good question. What I want you to do now is just be calm and watch. I will tell you what to do and how to do it at the appointed time. Please, my son, please obey my instruction.
Okay, Father, there's no problem.
Thank you.
Ezaluse, Bawanye is his father. A man of this kingdom who is still alive. A man that I have traced to his house in the remote village where he lives in Omobogiri here. If Chidubem here is desirous of burying a father, let him wait for his father to die so he can give him the befitting burial he's planning. He cannot participate in the funeral of my own father. That is it.
Your father did not tell us anything about this.
Because it is not everything a man will begin to say to people. I am the Onoshilobi of the family. And that's why he told me.
Well, the tradition of Umobogidi, and of course many towns in Igbo land, stipulates that any child born by a woman is owned by the man who paid her bride price, whether biological or not. The one who donated the sperm to fertilize the egg has already settled himself with enjoyment he derived from the intercourse itself. Yes. Therefore, he cannot claim paternity of the child.
Honestly, Zalosi, I don't know where you are going with this argument.
Chidubem is the son of your father. Yes. Your father, Chief Udoka, paid his mother's bride price. Therefore, he belongs to your father.
Zalosi, this is unacceptable. Chief Udoka Okenwa, the ego malabo bankizi of Umobogidi, rejected him in his lifetime. Why are you now trying to impose him on him now that he's dead?
I am just telling you the law of the land. Yes, he is the son of your father and must partake in his father's burial.
Why are you even so shameless? I don't understand this. Why are you shameless? Why can't you go back to your father? Why are you clinging onto another man's father when your own father is still there? Now on the bunun.
Hey, stop making unguarded statements. Please. Not in my presence. You asked your father what he wanted you to do, and he told you to wait until later. At the end of the day, he ended up telling you nothing. I am the priest of the land, and I am telling you what to do. And you must hearken to my voice.
I'm really worried. She's not picking my calls. That's why I had to reach out to you so you can help me talk to her. I don't know what the problem is.
Maybe her phone is bad.
If her phone is bad, you should tell me. I'll get her a new phone as soon as possible. Wait. On the contrary, I don't think her phone is bad. I think she's avoiding me on purpose.
Why?
I fought again.
Eloka, you are always fighting.
It is not like this one was a serious fight. The guy insulted me and I had to teach him a lesson. Simple. I didn't do anything further than that. Just teach him a lesson.
Oh, wow. Okay, so what exactly do you want me to do for you now?
I want you to beg her. Convince her to pick my calls. That's just it.
This is the fifth time I'm begging her on your behalf this month.
Say it's this month. A month has 30 days. You've begged her for me only 5 times. So add this one and make it 6. And I promise I will not do it again. This will be the last. Just help me talk to her.
Alright, fine. I'll talk to her.
Thank you. So how fast will that be? How soon?
Hopefully by weekend.
Weekend is far. Ha! Do you know what's today's date? Weekend is far. Can you talk to her today so by the time I get home before evening I call her? But then you must have spoken with her. She'll pick and then we talk. Make it today, please.
Alright, fine. Let me talk to her first. I'll get back to you.
Thank you.
You have to change, you. This your fighting is too much.
It was not a serious fight. I just thought.
So this is it. That is why you have been fermenting trouble.
All of you needed me to provide you with an explanation as regards why I am doing this. I have provided it.
Who and who were there when Daddy had that discussion with you?
Nobody.
Then, whatever you're saying does not hold water. What do you say?
Now I need you to understand something. I have taken a stand on this. Shidubem is not going to participate in the burial.
Never.
What?
Udoka, let me tell you. This thing you're doing is capable of destroying this family. And I will advise you stop.
You don't have what it takes to advise me. And moreover, I am not one of those men that will stop what they have started. Can't you people understand it?
Udoka, don't say I did not warn you. Stop
telling me that you're warning me. Be very careful. Stop interfering with the things we do here. Go back to your husband. Come here.
My gift. DK, my love, please. This is not the end of the world.
It looks like the end for me.
No.
What is this? What is going on?
Please. Do not let this bother you.
What am I going to do?
What matters most is that Ogwefi Lubutife insisted that you must take part in the burial.
It's not about the burial. This is not about the burial. This has nothing to do with the burial. This is about how I feel. This is about my reality. How is it that the one that I've always called father is suddenly now is no longer my biological father? Where do I begin?
Please, just calm down, please. Don't let this get to you, please. Do not let this bother you at all, please. I beg you.
How can this not bother you, sweetheart? Come on. I suddenly feel small. I feel like disappearing into thin air.
No, my love, please. Do not do this to yourself. I beg of you, please. Don't do this to yourself. Please.
Do you know why? And why? Why did Chief not tell me himself? Why? Why did he not tell me?
That's because he doesn't want you to be devastated.
Ha!
That was why he didn't tell you. Please, Obim, just calm down.
Please. My mother has a lot of questions to answer.
No, please, the last thing you will do is to put that woman under unnecessary pressure. I will not let you do that. Besides, what your brother said has not been verified. Until it is verified, that is when you can do whatever you want to do. But for now, please, I just want you to man up. Man up, my husband, please. Let us just take it as ordinary claim. I beg you. Please, look at me. I want you to be a man and face this battle. Let us face it together. Okay? Please.
Is it for me? disgrace. Misinformation is very bad. To avoid disgrace. Misinformation is very bad. To avoid disgrace. Misinformation. Keep on my chance. This is the no challenge. So someone, man, for Malonga. You better act wisely before you enter big problems. You want nobody. To people who be victim, so someone, man, for Malonga. You better act wisely before you enter big problems. You want nobody. To people who be victim, somebody. You want nobody. To people who be victim, somebody. So someone, man, for Malonga. You better act wisely before you.
Honestly, I am tired of that guy. He behaves like a kid. Look, all this, I know you have a say in it.
How do you mean?
Look, we can see that you're the more matured one here. So keep talking to him and fashion him into the kind of man you want him to be.
Nkoli, I have been talking. I've been talking to Eluka, but he's too hot-tempered for my liking.
Look, work on him. I believe you can change him. If you truly love him, don't give up on him.
What are you even saying? This young man fights like a mad dog. He fights in every given opportunity. It's not even as if he fights to win. They beat him up.
See, I know you can change him. I know you can.
I hope so, because I am not ready to go into marriage with such character. I am not.
Wait. Is there something you're not telling me?
I'm sorry that I didn't tell you. He asked me to marry him.
So what did you tell him? What did you tell him? What did you tell him?
I told him to wait, okay? Because I want to see physical changes in him before I can accept his proposal.
Really?
Yes. Iluka.
Okay, maybe you have a point there. But don't take too long.
I know, I won't take too long. I just feel that he changed.
My friend is going to be a married woman soon. Oh my God.
I didn't even know that.
Can you see it? Can you see the kind of person you have been supporting all along?
An illegitimate child. You know, I always knew there was something wrong. That is why I refused to accept him as my uncle. I just knew there was something.
What if Daddy said what he said just to discredit Uncle Dubem? Yes.
Hey, don't even start. Don't even bring in that useless logic here. Because we will not accept it. Whatever Daddy said, happened. So take it.
Listen, let me advise you, sweet sister. It is time to change league. You understand? Support Daddy. And stop all this nonsense thing you are doing. It's time to change.
I do not support evil. I will not support evil. What Daddy is doing is evil and both of you are supporting it.
Why are you always so daft?
There's something wrong with you. Are you mad?
You just slap me.
I'll slap you again. Are you mad?
You slap me. Are you serious?
How long do you think I'll continue to Are you mad?
You want to fight a woman?
What's wrong with you? What do you want to do?
Stop it.
You want to hit me?
You want to fight a woman?
Leave me now.
You want to hit me?
You did not see why she slapped me? 2 times.
What is it?
What is enough?
Yes, that's enough.
Yes. I know you will blame me. I know you will blame me, but I don't care.
Calm down.
I'm tired of this nonsense people do in this house, please.
Calm down, you're a man.
Are you seeing the nonsense you just did?
Just calm down, you're a man. You're a man. Please, stop it.
So this idiot had the guts to slap me. Sis, she had the guts to slap me. When a man reacts, they say a man has reacted.
going on?
It's game over for me, baby. Can't do this anymore.
How do you mean it's game over for you?
Baby, just stop. Listen, the man that I'm fighting very hard to participate in his burial is not even my biological father. Tell me, why am I here?
Please. How can you say the man you're fighting for is not your biological father? My love, this man raised you. He loved you. He took care of you like his own. He did what a father will do for his biological son. He even did more for you.
The shame is too much. I can't deal with the humiliation. I can't.
But the woman has taken a decision that favors you. Why didn't you want to do this to yourself? Why?
Baby, get your things together. Let's just go.
No, we are going nowhere. We came back to bury Chief, and so shall it be. Fine, if your brother doesn't want us to come to the family house, that's okay. We can set our canopies here. I will personally hire the best cook from Port Harcourt to come here and cook for us.
That will not be necessary.
Of course it will be necessary. Come on, my love. We have invited friends and well-wishers. What are we going to say to them? If we pull out of the burial, the matter will spread. But if we stay back, it will be contained. Please, my love, listen to me and calm down. Please.
So, how did it go?
She's complaining that you're still the Elukada. Very stubborn and always fighting.
Why is she complaining about that now? I have told her that I will change. In fact, I have changed. See, it might just take a little time for her to see the visible effects of the change. If you treat malaria now, it will not go immediately now. The drugs will go inside and kill the malaria parasite. Sometimes it takes 1 week, 2 weeks, depending on your person. So the change she's expecting is a gradual process. I have changed.
You have to change. Do you know she has made up her mind not to have anything to do with you?
What?
I have to convince her to give you a second chance.
You did that?
Yes, I did.
Thank you. Then what did she say?
That you should change.
Tell her I have changed. Just tell her that you spoke with me and I gave you assurance that I have changed.
Okay.
Huh?
I'll take your message to her.
Please.
But please, I don't want to start begging for you again. You have to change.
You will not beg for me again.
You promise?
I promise. I've changed.
Okay. I've heard you. I know, I'll see you later now.
Are you
change you? Yes, change.
Change is not overnight. You calm down. I'm fighting both for myself and for her. Fighting our enemies. To take time.
Iche, now that it has been confirmed that Uncle Tudubem is not the biological son of my grandpa, what will happen?
Well, whatever your father said has not been confirmed, unverified.
Iche, how do you mean?
First, it is possible your father cooked up that story to discredit Tudubem. And we will not allow that to happen. 2, your father has to produce evidence that indeed there was a meeting of such between himself and your grandfather. Thirdly, your grandmother will tell us her own part of the story. From there, we will be able to make up our mind about the matter.
Iche, this is a very nice decision. It is. I just feel that my father is cooking all this up to make Uncle Chidubem feel less important in the family. He's doing everything possible so that Uncle Chidubem will not participate in the burial.
Well, that wouldn't work because we will not allow it. Not when I am still alive and part of the Mona.
Iche, I am happy that we have honest men as part of the Umuna.
Thank you. You can say that again. And finally, even if Chidubem is not the son of your grandfather, our tradition has made him the son of your grandfather. Yes, because your grandfather married the woman that gave birth to Chidubem the right way and in accordance to the tradition of our people. So with that, there's no cause for alarm.
Iche, thank you very much.
Oh, you are welcome.
I sincerely appreciate all this information. Thank you, sir.
You are welcome, my dear. Are you sure you really don't want to take something?
No, Nai, thank you. This information you have given me is the best thing ever.
Oh.
Thank you, sir.
You are welcome, my dear. Thank you.
Udoka, do you really stand to gain anything if you succeed in stopping your brother Chidubem from participating in your father's burial?
Well, Ishiakuma, I have a whole lot to gain.
Really?
The most important thing I'm going to gain is that if I stop him from participating in the burial, that means that the wish of my late father, Obuefiego Malabuba of Umobogini, has been respected. And he will be happy wherever he is.
Udoka, for us to believe you, you have to show us evidence, a proof that actually what you just said actually took place between you and your late father.
Are you kidding me right now?
No. What we are saying is that you need to show us a proof, an evidence that truly there was such a discussion between you and your late father. And that is what we are saying.
Why am I smelling a conspiracy here?
Udoka, there's nothing like conspiracy for you to smell. You don't expect us to swallow everything you've said here. Hook, line, and sinker.
It is not hook, line, and sinker. What I am telling you is the truth. I am not lying to you. What I have just said here, exactly what I discussed with my father. That's what I'm presenting before you.
Udoka, Gent, listen. We are not saying you are lying to us. No. What we are saying is we want you to present evidence, convince us, so that we will believe that such meeting took place between you and your late father. Then, we will assure you that Chidubem will not come anywhere close to the burial venue.
On the other hand, Chidubem has killed countless number of cows for us to be part of this burial. It is his right. And you cannot deny him that right simply because you came up with some sort of stories you said your father told you.
So Chidubem has been the only one killing cows? The number of cows Chidubem has killed, can it get closer to the number of cows I've killed for this woman now? And you're sitting down here, he's telling me about the cows Chidubem has killed. And that is the yardstick for you to be saying this nonsense he's saying? Do you know what? You see that evidence? I am going to provide it.
Good and fine. But I want to tell you also that you have to be very, very fast in providing the evidence. Do that as quick as possible so that we don't run out of patience. Otherwise, Umunna will end up fixing a date for the burial. Yeah, because if you continue with your drama, with your lengthy story and all that, we have no option than to fix the burial date.
Did you just say that? I don't understand. No. You are going to fix the burial of a man without his first son? I don't understand. Why is he calling what I'm doing drama? What's the drama?
Listen, let me explain it further to you. Udoka Okenwa was originally our brother, our own brother, before becoming your father.
And so what?
Yes. So if you continue this way, getting yourself confused, if you continue the confusion around you, it don't mean we have no option, like I told you, than to fix the burial date. Yes, you just have to fix it. No option.
Of your man? Without the Noshilobi, you fix the burial. As how? I don't understand. And you're saying that to my face.
But that is what it is. Oh yeah, was no, you will start shooting your moon.
I'm the loser. Yes, I'm the loser.
Yeah.
But I'll accept it as my fate.
Uncle, you are not the loser. My father is the loser.
How can you say that your father is the loser? Can't you see what's going on? As it stands, your father is a legitimate son of Chief Okenwa.
Uncle Chidubem, you are also the son of Chief Udoka Okenwa. You have equal right with my father in the family.
I get the sense that you don't know what's going on.
Believe me, I know exactly what is going on, but I'm not going to buy into it. If Grandpa had this discussion with my father, then let the evidence come out.
What, do you think we need evidence?
Sure we do. In this jet age, claims are thoroughly scrutinized and censored before they are accepted as facts. My dad, that we know, will record any discussion that he has with people. Uncle, my dad is full of mischief and you know it. So if he had this discussion with his father, why did he not record it?
Ella. Your level of intelligence intrigues me always. All the time.
Uncle Chidubem, if we do not go about this the right way, some random guy will just come from nowhere and say that they had a discussion with Chief. And there, another problem ensues.
Makes sense, you're right. You're right.
So I would say that you shouldn't be bothered with whatever my father does. It doesn't hold water.
Bury my father is my right. Allow me to bury Papa Money Julaju. You hijack everything, no wahala.
Change. I have finally changed. Yes. And so today you are going to pay me for all my calls you have been dodging. Today like this, me and you, Romeo and Juliet, all my calls you have been dodging, you will pay me today. The problem was change. I have finally changed.
Mogo. He who first an ant-infested firewood has called a lizard for a party. Right at this moment, defend yourself.
See, bros, let me just tell you the truth. I don't have business with ant and lizard.
Bastard! You know, I'm not afraid of going to jail. And you know I've not killed you today. Yeah? It's because I don't want more blood on my hands. I'm a babu. I live in the zoo. The zoo!
See, Nkoli, this is why I hate this guy. He never keeps to time.
Look, let's be a little more patient. I'm sure he will soon be here.
It's over 30 minutes. 30 minutes and he's not here. See, after 10 minutes, I'm going home.
Why are you always harsh on this guy? Why?
Because he refused to improve.
Okay, maybe he's on his way.
That was what you said 30 minutes ago. And he's yet to be here. What do we call it? I mean, I don't even know why you always take sides with him.
See, I do not take excuse for him, okay? It's just I'm a very patient person and I allow people around me to grow.
Really?
Yes.
Then what if they refuse to grow? What will you do?
Nobody stays in one place forever. They will grow.
You have not answered my question.
You know what? Let's go to his house.
Eh?
Let's go to his house.
His house?
Yes.
Why should I go to his house?
Look, if you ever love this guy, you will give him a chance. You said he proposed to you. Forgive him. Okay, because of that, forgive him and help him rebuild. Let's go.
Go where?
Let's go now. Let's go. Nkoli, I'm not going. Geraldine, let's go. Let's go now.
Hey, young man.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine, sir.
My name is Udoka.
Sir, I know you, sir. I doubt if there's anybody in this community that doesn't know you, sir.
Thank you for saying that.
You're welcome, sir.
Well, I'm looking for a man named Bawanye. I understand he's from this village.
Sir, I don't think he's just Bawanye. He's Chief Akubilo Bawanye, sir. The Iyelioba of Umobogideken.
Iyelioba?
Yes, sir.
The man I am looking for is not even a chief. And to the best of my knowledge, he doesn't have the money to confer chieftaincy upon himself. How can you be calling him Iyelioba?
Sir, he was conferred with a chieftaincy title last year, which was sponsored by his first son, who has made a serious money, sir.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
I know. What is the name of the son?
Yes, sir. Any problem, sir?
No problem at all. So how do I get the man's house?
Sir, you're not far away. Just straight down, the first turn by your left, the second building. It's actually a new house, sir, so it won't be difficult for you to locate, sir.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
All right, welcome, sir.
Thank you.
All right, sir.
Misinformation is very bad. To avoid disgrace. Misinformation is very bad. To avoid disgrace. Misinformation is very bad.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Sir, I can see you are the owner of the house.
Oh, yes.
Well, my name is Udoka Okenwa, the Eliba Gwagu of Mobogidi. My father was late Chief Udoka Okenwa, the Egomwala Baba of Mobogidi. Ebelenu is my mother. I believe you know her.
What a glorious day. Please, let's get inside. Let's get inside.
I prefer to have this discussion with you outside.
Why?
Fresh air. Because I believe inside may be very stuffy. Moreover, I can see you have already set up a place under the tree like a village man you are.
Okay.
We can manage that place instead of going inside.
All right, if you prefer there, let's go there.
After you, sir.
Mm-hmm. Ah!
Somebody was telling me that they are giving you to person. No,
You will not get away with this. You will not.
I am ever ready for you. I just returned from prison last year, and I wouldn't mind going to prison again because of you. Stay clear from my path, okay? Stay away from me. Otherwise, a dead rat will be better than you. Listen, do you know the reason I've not killed you? Huh? It's because I don't want more blood in my hands. Huh?
Are you a killer?
Yes. I have killed many before. I am a killer. Listen, I just came back last year from the prison, and I wouldn't mind going to prison because of you. Eloka, stay clear from my path. Eloka, stay away from me. Stay clear from my way. Or else, dead rats. A dead rat will be better than you. Bastard.
Hey, baboon. You're not in the animal kingdom, idiot. You're not in the animal kingdom, idiot.
You are a disgrace to that great man of Umobogidi. The cow he killed to announce your birth to Kukumuna was wasted.
You can insult me all you can, I don't care. But I need you to start preparing your mind to receive Chudubem, your son. And you should be very grateful to my father for training him into the man he has become. But whatever connection he had with my father died the very minute my father died.
I can take all things. But a character like you insulted me in my own compound. That I will not take.
I am not insulting you. Rather, I am telling you the truth. But I understand it. Truth, they say, is always very bitter.
On the sacredness of a journey, I am telling you here and now, the best of the air, bear me witness. Chudubem is not my son. Let it enter your ear.
Honestly, I was not expecting you to accept it. But Oga, we are now facing reality here. He is your son. And the earlier you make up your mind to receive your son, the better for you.
Get out of my house. Get out of my compound.
You know, when I was coming here, somebody actually told me that your son built a new house for you, and I was expecting something really magnificent. Only for me to come here, and this poultry is what you are managing as a house, and you are telling me to get out. Look at the way you are saying it, as if I am in a kind of paradise.
If you do not leave now, you will discover why I am Iyerioba Fumobogidi.
Well, I remember that was the title they said they gave you. Automatically, you are a chief. I am equally a chief of Umobogidi, so can we talk like chiefs?
You are not talking like a chief.
Oga, I have evidence that you were actually still sleeping with a Belenu even after she was married to another man. It's evidence.
That's a capital lie. That's a lie.
Then Can you swear on anything that you were not compassionately engaged with Ebele, my mother, as in discussing compassionately with her, even after she was married, even when she was married to another man? Can you swear on anything?
How have you been?
I'm fine, and you?
I am okay. You forgot me completely because you got married.
How would you even say that? You know I'm not a married woman and I shouldn't even be seen around you. You know how people think.
Well, it's okay. I learned your husband is not treating you fine.
That's not true.
Come on, don't even lie to me. The news is everywhere already.
It will soon be a thing of the past. Don't worry, I will be fine.
Do you mind if I talk to him?
No. Eyebrows will be raised and I don't want that for myself, please. I will be fine, please.
So you prefer he continues to maltreat you?
No, that's not it. See, as a matter of fact, I've already spoken to my father about it and he said he will change. So, I'm sure he will change.
Now you're talking.
I heard you're getting married.
Yes?
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Hope she's beautiful.
Just as beautiful as you are.
You can say that.
Thanks so much.
I'm happy for you once again.
And I'm happy that you're also happy for me.
I need to start going before my husband starts looking for me.
Can I at least get a hug from you before you leave?
A hug? I am a married woman.
It's nothing, it's just a hug.
What I had with your mother then was just an innocent hug. And nothing.
It was not just an hug. No, don't tell me that. An innocent hug. It was not an innocent hug. What you did was a hug to see what happened already. And that thing that happened was that you slept with her, a married woman, got her pregnant. That child she was carrying that time when you embraced her was she the baby. And you were embracing her to seal it. Am I lying?
I swear on the sacredness of Ajan, the Mother Earth, after Chief married their mother, I never had any carnal knowledge of her.
What about my friend? And are you expecting me to believe this?
That is the truth. And the only truth.
Well, I have already told you my own truth. Prepare your mind to receive Shidubem, your son. That is the only thing I am telling you. Forget all this nonsense you are doing. It cannot work. Shidubem is your son, and he belongs to you.
Huh. Why would the gods punish a man with such arrogant man as Onochirobi? Huh? Why?
Hey, look! What happened to him?
We met him by the roadside.
You met him by the roadside? How? I don't understand. Sit here. Wait, sit here. Careful. Sit. What happened to him?
We met him by the roadside.
How? I don't understand. What are you talking about?
I don't even understand, Mom. I was waiting for him. He asked me to wait for him.
No, wait. Hey, look. What happened?
What? Who did this to you? Tell me. Who did this to you? Where did people say you found him?
By the road leading to the village square.
What happened to him?
I don't know.
And he's like this?
I saw him like this.
Nah. Hello. Nah. Yes, God. What?
What brings you to my Obi?
This is wine for you. Eh? Because my journey is for peace.
You're welcome to the home of peace.
Thank you. The reason for my visit is I want to enter the oath of vindication of Ajan Umobogide.
Are you under any form of accusation?
Yes. Udoka, the son of late Udoka Okenwa, came to me yesterday and they accused me of something I never did.
You are Bawani?
Yes.
The man he is pointing at as the father of Chidubem.
Yes.
Okay. I will bring the offer.
Before you bring the offer, I will want to give you a short story of what transpired between Ebele Enu and myself in the past.
I'm listening.
You don't look happy. What is wrong?
It is my father.
What did he do this time?
He wants to forcefully marry me to another man.
But he's away with a relationship.
He said the man is ready to marry me today, tomorrow. And it looks like he has money.
That means he must have collected money from him.
Exactly the point. And you know my father likes money.
My love, you know I truly love you. I don't want to lose you. So what are we going to do now?
See, the man in question is here to come to pay my bride price. Maybe you should come and do that before he comes. Please.
You and I know I don't have money. And your father should understand that.
I'm even confused. I don't even know what to do again.
I think I have an idea.
You do?
I'll take a bottle of wine to your father.
Okay.
And make my intentions of marrying you known to him.
I like that. Very nice. Very nice idea.
I'll do that tomorrow.
Please, you have to hurry up. Tomorrow may be too far.
Obim, don't worry, eh? Tomorrow is not too far. Your father will understand.
Please hurry up.
You know, to get a bottle of wine now is not expensive. I know I'm not working yet, so I'll get it tomorrow.
Please, just try your best, please.
What is it?
Nai, I came with a good purpose. Please, get a seat so we can discuss about why I'm here.
Say whatever you want to say, else I go in and continue with what I was doing.
Nai, I am here to make my intentions of getting married to your daughter, Ebelenu, known to you and your family.
She has been taken.
How? I don't understand.
You don't understand. I am going to marry her off to a wealthy man who has the boldness to put his money where his mouth is. That is exactly what I meant.
But now your daughter is in love with me, and I also love her.
love is not enough for me to marry my daughter to you. Am I going to eat love? Tell me!
See, Nai, please, don't do this to me. Your daughter means so much to me. She means the whole world to me.
I'm sure you knew how you came in. When you are done blabbing, you find your way out.
Nai. Nai.
He toned you down?
Yes, he did.
Did he give you any reason for that?
He said he was marrying you off to a wealthy man.
Oh my God. That man must have given him a lot of money.
Exactly.
Then we'll have to elope. Yes.
That is not the best option.
See, this is the only option we have now. I mean, by the time they look for us for 2 to 3 days, they will not have any other option than to appreciate what we have, what we share for each other.
My love, I may be in trouble.
You're not going to be in trouble. Believe me. Please.
After I met her father, I knew that what was coming was bigger than me. So I withdrew. I left her.
After she married Udoka, did you contact her in any way again?
Yes, I did. But that was on a roadside. We had discussion. I never had carnal knowledge of her since she got married to her husband. How come, Diocha?
It is better for you not to come to me than to come here and lie. The consequence is always death. You know that.
I'm aware of that. I didn't come here to lie. I am not lying to you.
You are going to swear on the offer.
Yes, Eze, and that is exactly why I'm here. Okay. What do you could Oh God, they could tell you. Huh? Wow.
Go ahead.
If I ever had carnal knowledge of a Belenu since she was married to her husband, let Ajani, the central deity of Umobogidi, strike me dead and my entire family.
So how do you feel now?
Well, a lot better.
So who did this to you?
Mom, it is not important. You needed to be there to see what I did to him. You just needed to be there. I didn't let it slide.
Hey, look, you were looking very precarious yesterday. And that's why I didn't want to discuss anything with you. But looking at you now, I can see you are good to go.
Yes, Dad. I'm fine.
Good. So can you tell me who did this to you?
Dad, his identity is not important. In fact, I got him more injured than I am. I'm telling you.
Hey, look, what you are saying does not make any sense. Are you aware you almost died yesterday if not for the timely intervention of the doctor?
Dad, I was just tired. I was not dying.
Prior to the close of death.
Hey, look, who did this to you?
Dad, I don't know him.
What?
Why did he attack you? Tell me. Man snatcher! Boyfriend snatcher! You think I will not get you? You think I won't find out? I have found out what you have been doing in secret. Ooh! Husband to be snatcher! Shame! Fool!
I don't even understand what you're talking about.
I know you will pretend not to understand what I'm talking about. Why won't you pretend? Eh? But you see, your cup is so filled up. You know that? It could get you go. Today, if you don't stay away from my boyfriend, if you don't stay away from my husband to be, I will so deal with you in this village that whenever you hear my name, you will run away from the village. Bet me.
If I may ask, who is this your boyfriend?
Okay, don't know who he is. You don't know. Who is this your boyfriend? Ifeanyi is my boyfriend. Ifeanyi has proposed to me. In fact, what is remaining is for him to fix dates for our marriage. I've been seeing you moving Burkere movement with him. I said, let me stand here and warn you to stay away from him. Did you hear me? Ifeanyi belongs to me. Stay away from him.
Is it my own Ifeanyi that you're talking about? My blood tonic. Tall, dark and handsome.
Come on, shut up!
Holy Ghost filled and Naira
Thunder
loaded.
will fire that your mouth. Thunder will split your mouth into pieces. That's mouth you use in calling him your tonton, your sweetheart. Thunder will fire it. You don't have shame. Are you a kuna? Eh? That you cannot go and find your own boyfriend. He's somebody's boyfriend, somebody's husband to be. Let me tell you something. Ifeanyi belongs to me. Ifeanyi is my man. Ifeanyi has proposed to me. Oh. Yes. In fact, my parents, everybody knows about it. So stay away from him. You see all the money you have been spending on you. All the money that he has been... I know he bought you this great wedding. I gave him those money and you cannot give him money. You don't even have anything to give him. Stay away from him. If you don't want me to face you in this village, stay away from me, fine. You hear me? You are laughing.
Gina, I actually thought you have something meaningful to talk about.
Then come back here. Come back. Do you want to work out on me? You want to collect? You mad?
Wait.
You mad? You mental? You just want to work out? The Chris?
Did you just touch me with those filthy hands of yours?
You look this fresh hand finish. You call him filthy hand. Look at who is calling my hand filthy. Now the money where I remain for my cream, now they give you fine. It is and they buy nkota. We then nkota for you. They're calling me filter. Something is wrong with you. Did you hear me? If you don't stay away from that guy, I'm warning you for the last time. You go collect from me wuto. No try.
If you try that nonsense again, if you dare touch me with this filthy hands again,
what will you do?
I will beat you, you, and black. I will give you the beatings of your life. Nonsense. What is wrong with that? You're fighting over a man. You're mad. You're very... You're fighting over a man. You're mad. You're mad. You don't know me. Are you mad? Are you mad? Boyfriend snatcher. I will be with you. My boyfriend, you crazy. You're crazy. You die here. You die here. I will kill you today. You die here. I will kill you today. You are calling me back. I will kill you. I'll kill you. Let me go.
Whoever did this to you must go to jail.
Dad, I am no longer a child. As a matter of fact, I defended myself so well that if you had seen what I did to him, you will be congratulating me as a worthy son. Beat him anyhow.
What is it? You look tense.
Daddy, there's a serious problem.
What is the problem?
A man called Bawanye. He just left the OB of the chief priest.
How is that my business?
He just entered an oath of vindication and nothing happened to him.
That is because deities do not kill instantly. They don't even kill overnight. They kill systematically. So you have to relax and watch. Very soon that man will drop dead.
No, I am lost here. Who is Bawanyakwa?
That's the man Daddy accused to be Uncle Chutubem's father.
It is not an accusation. That man is actually Chutubem's biological father.
Daddy, it is an accusation, and it will remain an accusation until you provide credible proof to the claim as the elders have requested.
Ella, why are you dabbling into something that doesn't concern you? Why are you doing this? No, how can you be here and you know what is happening at the OB of the chief priest?
Why, for that matter? Why?
Daddy, whatever happens here concerns me. In the future, all of these troubles that you're creating, when they resurface, we the younger generations will be deeply involved in it. That's why I'm still begging you, please, let's put an end to all of this.
Hey. Why are you kneeling before me? You know I hate people kneeling before me. Why are you doing that? No, a kind of emotional blackmail or something. Listen to me. I have gone very deep into this and there is no going back.
Mommy, please talk to Daddy. What he's doing will tear this family apart. The generations unborn will suffer from all that he's doing, please.
I don't understand. Biko, your father is on the right path. And all I need to do as his wife is to support my beloved husband. Already he is enjoying my support. Wow.
You can't learn how to be a good wife for your mother.
I don't understand.
Who is teaching you? Where are you learning from? Can you do much?
Ebelenu, your face is not bright at all. You look so devastated. And
Problem. Udoka has pushed me beyond the brink. And I want to let him know that he has been running in a wrong direction since he started this trouble. And no matter how far he runs in this wrong direction, he can never get to a glorious destination. Mba.
And what role do you think I can play in a situation like this?
As head of the Omunna, I need you to summon all of them. Summon everybody in Obuefi Ilopotife's place.
I should summon everybody. Why should I summon everybody?
I want to prove my innocence. I want to let everybody know that no other man has seen my nakedness after I got married to Udoka Okenwa. I want to let everybody know that no other man has ever seen my nakedness after I got married to Udoka Okenwa. I want to let him know that he's been wrong all along.
You mean you really want to take your son to the priest for the central date?
Bam! Or eventually.
Hi. Well, I don't know. I would have advised you look for another means of settling this matter.
No, I have advice. My mind is made up, and that is it. No going back on it. I have good advice.
Hi. I didn't see this coming. I wonder why Chief couldn't tell us this.
Udoka has been hiding something. He has been hiding something. And I think it's because of the fat lie that my husband left all his properties and money for. Why are you like this? Chimo, who did this to you? Huh?
What are you talking to you now? Answer.
Can't you talk again?
I don't know her name. I only know her in person.
Oh, is even a she? But why did she have to handle you like this? Fucking what say Naija? What did you do to her?
What happened though?
I did not do anything to her. I did not do anything to her.
So why did she do this to you? Can't you talk again?
I only told her to leave my boyfriend for me. If I had proposed to me that was going to marry me, Mama, I told you.
Wait a minute. Wait. You are actually telling me that you fought in Umobogidi because of a man?
No, that is not fight her. She fought me.
Oh, Naija should have fought me. No, why you don't Naija?
He proposed to me, and I told him he said he's going to marry me.
In the air now, in the air. Am I so also be my woman. No, wait though. Boyfriend that did not even propose with any ring or any sign of ring is who you're fighting over.
You said it.
Why am I so unlucky?
Be careful.
Why am I so unlucky? Hey. Can you do
See that aunt is almost biting you.
Well, leave me alone. Did I not tell you?
You don't have any feeling on your body again.
He proposed to me. I told you. He said he's going to be my husband. Every time I will sit down here and be walking up and down with my husband to me. Every time I see her, I now went to confront her. The next thing, look at it now.
No, wait though. He proposed to you. What is the evidence of the proposal?
Did you beat her?
I beat her.
Correct. Because I beat my own too. I beat my own.
I beat
This
her.
one is just small.
How can I have feelings? Oh, my God is paining me. He said Instead of you to help me, Mom, and see what I can do. Do my best, make me everywhere. Because I am telling me, Amanda proposed to me. If he wants to marry me, is that not telling you?
Ebele, you asked me to gather the Umunna in my opinion that you have something important, very, very important that you want to tell us.
I thank you so much, Umunna. I thank all of you, all members of the extended family of Okunka. Thank you.
Just go ahead and tell us what you have to say.
Okay. Whatever I'm going to say here today, I'll make it very brief so that everybody can go back to what you were doing before you were called. So it's going to be very, very brief.
Oh, that would be very much appreciated.
What I want to tell all of you today is a secret. It's a secret because my late husband never gave me a chance to tell him this secret. And more so because I was hurriedly married off to him just after 3 days he indicated interest to marry me.
Mama, can you please just hit the nail on the head direct so that we can know why we are summoned here? I don't know. You need to be going all this, doing all this.
Yes, I will say it. Udoka, before you rudely interrupted me, I was going to tell this whole house that you, Udoka, are not a biological son to Udoka Okenwa.
Okay. Huh? Is that a joke? Is that a joke?
I don't know who is leading you to do this. I don't know, but whoever that is leading you to do this, you should know yourself that you cannot solve any problem with this approach.
Just shut up. Keep quiet and let me finish. It's your stupidity that led us to this level. Look at me.
But we need to understand something. I am an Ichie in this land, and I remain an Ichie. Will you people sit down and watch a woman because she's my mother?
Udoka, please
because she's my mother.
Watch your language. How dare you interrupt somebody who is presenting something to me? Please, don't ever try that again.
I apologize.
Go ahead.
Obwefi Iloptifi. The truth is that I was already pregnant for Babanye before Udoka Okenwa approached me for marriage. I was already pregnant with this ungrateful man here that sits here to tell you that he's an Iche in presence of his mother. You, Okwange.
I was supposed to see my monthly visitor 2 weeks ago. Oh my God. That means I am pregnant. No, that can't be possible. Oh God, I'm finished. Bawanye, I didn't want to do this, but you forced me into it. Now see, now the worst has happened. What do I do? Bawanye has to be aware of this.
Action coming!
Ebele, come back here. Where are you rushing to?
I want to go and see Jendu.
I thought you told me Ugezu traveled to the city.
Yes, but she came back today.
You look pale. Are you okay?
Me?
You look sick.
There's nothing wrong with me. Just like headache.
Headache?
It's headache. I'm okay,
Alright.
there's nothing wrong with me.
I prepared some herbs. Okay. Be sure to take some of it when you come back.
Of course I will. Let me hurry, I'm coming back. Is your brother in?
No.
Where did he go to?
He went to the farmland.
Which of the farmlands? Which one now?
You're not telling me. What is the problem now?
I need to see your brother now, please. Where did he go to? Tell me. Talk now.
He went to the farmland close to Akbuluka waterfall.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. I thought the sister said he came to this farm. Bawanye! 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 Papa, you called me.
Yes. Sit. Yes, sit. For we have a discussion to make.
Okay. Oh, Papa, can't you wait till tomorrow? I'm feeling sleepy already.
It can't wait. It's very urgent.
Okay, I'm listening. Talk.
A young man came here today seeking for your hand in marriage.
Papa, I know the young man and I'm not interested.
I have not called you to seek your opinion because I have taken my consent already.
What?
You heard me right. Start preparing yourself because in 3 days' time, the young man together with his family will be coming here to pay for your bride price.
Papa, why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? Papa, I don't like it. I don't like him. Why are you forcing him on me? Please, I don't like him.
For your information, the man is very rich. And he has further convinced me as a decisive man who will stand by his family. And let me tell you, when you get married to such a man, poverty will be very, very far, far, far away from you.
Papa, why are you giving listening ear to this man? Why are you giving listening ear to him? You know I'm in a relationship with Bawanye.
Allow Bawanye to Bawanye away. You have no business with him. And let me tell you, you must stop whatever it is you have with him.
Papa, I will not stop. I will not stop.
You will not stop. Whether you like it or not, start getting prepared to get married to Udoka Okewa because he is the choice I have made for you. And there is nothing, I repeat, there is nothing that is going to change it.
Papa, good night. I'm not listening to this.
You just made my point.
Yeah, I've made my point too.
Nah, good afternoon.
Who are you?
No, you're talking to me.
You're asking me if I'm talking to you. Who else am I talking to if not you? Tell me, how many of us are here?
No, it's me, Bawanye. You already know me. Asking me who are you is really confusing me.
I don't know you. And I don't want to know you. And for your information, I don't want to see you in this compound again.
Hey, why are you sounding like this? Have I done anything wrong to you?
Papa, why are you speaking to him in that way? What has he done?
Will you shut up and get inside?
Papa, it's not fair. Why have you suddenly turned against everyone?
I said get inside! And you, I don't ever want to see you anywhere close to my daughter again. You want to infest my daughter with your poverty-stricken lifestyle? Now get out of my compound. I said get out of my compound. Get out. Oh, you don't want to leave? You would have waited for me. Idiot. earlier you get him off your mind, the better it will be for you.
Papa, what did he do to you? Which offense did he commit?
He does not measure up to the standard of the man I want for you. That is his offense.
Papa, money is not enough. I love him and he loves me too. Is that not what should matter?
Where I want my daughter to be, love is not enough.
Papa, have you even asked yourself if I love the man you want me to get married to? Do you know if I have any atom of feelings for him? Do you know?
There is no need loving him because the love he has is enough for both of you. So whether you love him or not, it doesn't matter. I mean, try to understand what I'm saying. It does not.
I'm sure I'm dreaming. I'm sure I'm dreaming. Somebody should wake me from this sleep, please. Papa, I'm dreaming, right? This is a dream. This is not true. This is not true. This cannot happen to me, Papa. Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this?
You are wide awake, my daughter. The earlier you start preparing to love the better it will be.
Papa, what have I done to you? Please. Why are you doing this to me? What have I done to you? Why are you doing this to your daughter? Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? I cannot marry him. I don't love him, please. I can't marry somebody I don't have feelings for. Hey! Hey! God, no. I'm finished. I'm finished.
Yeah. Nice story. Well, I trust my brethren of Ofunka family. I know there is no way you are going to buy this. Mama, listen, I don't know why you will come up with this, but there is nowhere you are going with this story that you just concocted. To please your son? Because he looks like you? You are not going anywhere with this story and you know it.
Udoka. Udoka, I did not lie about your paternity. Okay, but if you're not comfortable, you and Bawanye can go for a paternity test. And if it comes out that he's not your father, may I be banished from this community of Omoba Ogidi. Or let the great deity of our ancestors strike me dead. Yes, my marriage to Udoka Okenwa was done in 3 days. I didn't have time to tell Bawanye that I'm carrying his child. I couldn't. Udoka, if I lie about your paternity, may I fall dead. Let me die.
Jezebel, I am not happy at all. I am so angry that we will be working with an illegitimate son.
I wonder where Udoka Eribagwago will hide his face. I wonder.
This thing is not good to happen to anyone. Not at all.
Come to think of it, Ndobisi, you know that Udoka brought this upon himself. If he had stopped when he was advised to, it wouldn't have gotten to this. He wouldn't have experienced this level of embarrassment.
I'm just wondering what has become of him right now.
I'll go and find out from him. I'll visit him. Before end of today, I'll visit him to find out from him.
Please try.
You know, he's our brother. We cannot abandon him just like that.
No.
I'll see him. Yeah, I'll go and see him later.
Try, do so. Try.
It's just...
If I don't find a good way, or two more cocoa, now you have been vindicated.
You can say that again. It feels good to be vindicated.
I forget with you to be and you know do again. You see, if you ask me, I think this is your turn to humiliate him, embarrass him, and intimidate him. The same you did to you.
I'm not that kind of person. Udoka is my brother. We're made from the same couple. I would never be caught joining issues with him. On one name combo.
Because for me, I believe that whatever a man sows, so shall he reap. That you would have that with him.
This is not the time for judgment. I brought the both of you here so that we can marry. You know, celebrate with me for standing by me through this period. You got to go. Let's not talk about my brother. Before I forget, my wife is in the kitchen on our nkwobi. So there's nkwobi. There's also going to be fish pepper soup.
Fish pepper soup. So what do now? We are here to act it. Okay. In fact, you don't know I will stay at it.
I said it that Dad was fighting a lost battle. And you all just did not care to listen to me. Dad was fighting a lost battle.
What are you talking about?
Grandma has just revealed that Daddy is the son of her ex and not the biological son of Grandpa.
Come on, shut up. Are you mad? Did you hear what they're saying?
And then you believe that nonsense? Hey. You did not ask yourself what sort of nonsense is this woman saying. You just believed it.
It's everywhere.
How can you even say
I'm not making it up. The story is everywhere.
What story is that? What nonsense are you talking about? I say that my own husband, my beloved husband, is the son of another man.
Mommy, I did not say it. It's what Grandma said.
And if that's your grandma who opened her mouth and spit out that kind of rubbish from her mouth, that means she is under the influence of alcohol.
Thank you.
In fact, she's sick.
That is just it.
What's wrong with her?
Alcohol or old age, her brain has entered reverse.
That is it. In fact, the woman is sick. No need.
And in civilized nations, they will carry her to daycare, where they take care of the elderly people. That is where she's supposed to be.
Eluka, Ada, Mommy, you all know that Grandma does not take alcohol. She doesn't.
Memory loss, then old age.
Listen, this your false news is false, 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 and not acceptable by me, by all standard. I'm
It's so unfortunate. Daddy has shot me.
You will never bring good news to this house. You wear glasses like someone like yourself. Nothing is in your head.
Daddy has shot me.
Ugezu, how are you today?
I'm fine, Udoka.
Something important came to my mind. And it is more important that I discuss it with you.
What is it?
Okay. Now that your true father is discovered, I feel that you'll buy some wine. Go to him and explain yourself.
I will never do a thing like that.
Why?
Because I don't want to be associated with the man in any way.
Udoka, kwe maneli bekita na oga wuzi. N'udu ada akọ mmili bụkwa udu nke dị mma. Udu akọwagokwanụ. Mmili akọgokwa o. We are talking about your biological father.
Well, let me tell you something you don't know. The only man I consider my biological father was the one who raised me. The one who made me who I am today and the one who gave me everything.
Udoka, that is the exact right you have been denying your brother. And for no reason.
Let me just tell you something. Ugezu, be very careful with your utterances. I am not in a good mood.
I know your problem, Udoka. You are up against the man you cannot intimidate. If that man, Iyeli Oba of Omo Oba Ogidi, accepts you, you are better off there. As for this place, you have lost everything. No. The business is there, the money is there. But you have lost everything. The Onochilobi, Elibaguagu, even your Ichie title, we will be stripped of you. You are not our blood, Udoka. You have to be very careful. That I cannot intimidate you, Babanamba and Katrin. I'm only trying to help you, Udoka. I'm only trying to help. You cannot help me. Help yourself.
I saw the items you left at the shrine of the central deity. Items to trigger the sacrifice for dissociation. May I know why you brought them?
Thank you.
It is because I want to separate myself from Udoka. Simple.
Why?
The young man is too arrogant to be called my son. Very arrogant.
Are you now aware of his true parentage?
Yes, the news came to me yesterday.
I will advise you take him as your son.
No. I already have 3 sons. I do not need more. Especially someone that has been spoiled with wealth and affluence.
A person that do not know
When to stop or where to stop. I don't need that kind of son. Mbano.
Do you really want us to do this? Do you?
Zalose. By the virtue of the mammoth sacrificial thing I dropped at the central deity. And that will determine or define the degree by which I want it done. I want it done. Yeah.
Elibagwa. I came here to tell you that you are still the first son of late Chief Udoka Okenwa, our father. I want you to know that a sperm donor cannot claim ownership over you. Abrokasime. It is the man who married your mother, who was a good father to you all your life. That is the man that can claim ownership over you.
Exactly what the elders made me to understand.
Unfortunately, our father is dead. And we have to bury Daddy. And I have come here to ask that you and I work together like never before to bury Papa. I want us to give Papa a befitting burial because he deserves it. I want people who think that this issue will tear us apart to be surprised at the level of success we achieve working as a team.
I appreciate your kind words, and I want to thank you from the depth of my heart for your understanding. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Shidibim, you are indeed a good man by every definition of the word. And I will remember this day all the remaining days of my life.
It is fine.
You know, things like this will always happen to teach us a few things about life and new things about ourselves also.
I agree with you completely. I have learned my lesson, and I learned it the hard way. Just see how our paternity has just been completely twisted.
Please, I want you to brush this off. Let's pretend this never happened. It would also interest you to know that the man who is alleged to biologically be your father, the man ran to his LOC to declare his non-interest. So I think that's a plus for you. This is where you belong. Your family, you are still my brother. And for clarity, I want you to still keep this mansion to yourself. And everything that you originally inherited from our late father. Where you think, GM? Keep it to yourself. I have more than enough. My family and I are fine. You know,
Shidbem, you are a different breed. Completely.
Dal.
Men like you are rare.
Thank you.
This weekend, we are going to meet with the members of the Umuna to fix a date for Papa's burial.
And I am still not invited, I suppose.
Come on, Shidbem, don't
Stop saying that. I think I'm wagging Jacqueline.
No, the man we are talking about, you are actually his direct offshoot. And you are the head of the funeral. Yeah.
It's fine.
Thank you so much for everything. I appreciate it.
I just want us to give Papa a deserving, befitting burial. He deserves it. Okay. But above that, Elibawago, I just want you to be my brother.
We are brothers. Thank you.
Dal.
My only brother, I am sad and no more happy. Where do you get this thoughts? I am not.
Aduga, I want to be left alone.
My love, let's talk. I want us to talk. At least for 3 minutes. In fact, 1 minute.
I don't want to talk.
Please, my love, let me. Let us talk.
I want to be left alone.
Okay, I will oblige you. I'll come back later. Okay? Careful.
I will sue Udoka for character assassination. I will make him pay for everything he has done to us.
No, baby. There'll be no need for that. Right now, we rebuild all that has been destroyed. We let love lead. Okay?
Don't tell me you want to let him get away with everything he has done to us.
I have forgiven him, and so should you.
What kind of a heart do you have?
I don't know, I'm just being me. Papa deserves a befitting burial, and that's what we should be focused on right now.
All right. If that's what you want.
Mm-hmm.
For you and the old man, I will sheath my sword.
Thank you for always listening to me.
You're always welcome.
Daddy, breakfast is ready.
Daddy! You get this thought. Daddy.